Hello, me being South Kid. I'm gonna open this Thomas whistle thing. So I'm gonna open it now. Just the front of it. So I'm gonna open it. And it was $7. So oh, that's it. So we have it now. Yeah, just the Thomas. What? Nothing. Okay, this is the Thomas thing. Wait, huh? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, very nice.
Alright, so I'm behind the camera, Samtrack United. Alright, so is that the end of the video, or we're gonna do some more?
That's the end of the video.
Okay, say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.